Okay, so we're gonna do so we're gonna unbox the thing, and Kai's here to help me. So we're gonna open it up. So I'm gonna give it to Kai. Actually, I'm gonna open the box, and Kai's gonna open up slime. Okay, so here's the first slime, Kai. You're gonna open this one up first. Then, yep, you can open that one up.
It's hard.
Oh, I think there's like. Okay. You open this one up. Then open this one up first.
Okay.
I wanna. Okay, open that up.
Okay.
I'll just get them ready. So, by the way, guys, this is really sticky. Jeez. You need. Okay. Oh, shoot.
Oh, it's so true.
Okay, that's the first one. Let's move that to the side now. Okay.
Go.
I'll just loosen up the lids.
Hey, you opened it.
No, just leaving up the lids. This kind of smells like slime.
Did this yarn? Duh.
Oh, I meant paint. Okay. At least that's kind of my.
Is this yours?
Okay.
Why is it so satisfying?
Okay, and now open that one up.
This
one's a clean one. That one you could have cleaned.
Why is it so satisfying?
Don't worry about it.
Well, that smells good. It smells great.
Oh yeah, when I first got my first one, it smelled like grape too.
After it smells it smells good.
Okay, I'm gonna put mine and show you guys what it looks like.
Oh.
So it's kind of green at certain times, and it turns gold at other certain times. Oh,
I'm getting on my shine.
Okay. Oh. So this is a little bit of it. It's really stretchy.
And they feel good.
And it's gold. Yeah, they feel really good.
Why is this not coming out?
See this gold? It's kind of metallic and stuff.
Yeah.
You can't cut it out.
Oh my god. Hey, why put them on?
Remember that we're making a video.
What? It's so. Yeah.
Yeah, it smells really good.
Smell it. Okay, that's the first one. It better not be farting.
Okay. While he's doing that, I'll make it out my other one. Because I have slime. Kai's having both of these. Ew! Whoa.
What?
It's black at the bottom. Don't know why, but I have glitter on me. Yay.
Oh,
Yo, help Kai eat it.
my hands.
Okay,
While she's doing that, I'm gonna get my red one.
yeah, if you go do that.
Ew.
Oh, shoot.
There's like
Farted.
a bubble. There's like a bubble around it. I forgot to tell you that. Why is it?
I thought it was a.
Why are you say?
I thought this was going to be. Ow! My head.
Why? Why did it have that noise?
No.
Look at this.
Oh God. I think that's all I can do.
Is that mine?
Yeah, I think I could. That's all I could do for putting it in. Died.
I'm just trying to. Hey, get in there. It better not be farting in my.
So the slime's good because it's kind of cosmic and it's really fun to play with. It's shimmery, it's really slimy and stretchy. But the most thing I don't like about it is you can't. It's really hard to squeeze into its container.
It's also like fart noises.
Yep.
And that's the thing I hate about it.
Yep. And also, this is another thing I like about it. It doesn't make a mess in the house. So, and it's not that sticky. At first, it's really sticky and it smells good. But at last, it smells really good. And I'll go show you what my old slime looks like. Bye. Bye. Bye.